Along with smartphones, Google Maps have also become an integral part of our life. Most of us are making use of Google Maps for location sharing, real-time traffic data, and route planning. But still, not many are making use of Google Earth, which also is a free software from Google. For people who doesn't know what Google Earth is, it's a 3D representation of planet Earth based on satellite imagery, aerial photography, and GIS data. It allows the users to view cities and landscapes from different angles. This session is a virtual tour to 7 wonders of the world using Google Earth. What you are seeing here is the desktop version of Google Earth Pro, which is a free software. For navigating to any known part of planet Earth, you just need to type in that place name in the search bar of Google Earth. We will start with one of the 7 wonders of Earth, Taj Mahal, which is situated in the city of Agra in India. This is a 3-dimensional model of Taj Mahal prepared using a 3D modeling software, most probably Google SketchUp. With the use of mouse and mouse wheel, we can navigate around this structure. In the sidebar on the left side, you can see a tree view list, and that are all different layers of available information. To get access to each one of it, you just need to mark the corresponding checkbox. I will mark the node for photos. This icon with the text 360 on it denotes a panoramic photo which is available for viewing. So let's see how it looks like. Now one more panoramic photo from the garden of Taj Mahal. Now we will see the statue of Christ the Redeemer. This is a 30-meter high, 28-meter wide RCC statue situated in the city of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. As you can see, the statue is placed on the top of a mountain called Corcovado. This is again a 3D model prepared using some 3D modeling software. Let's check out a panoramic photo available here. Next one is Colosseum of Rome in Italy. This is the largest amphitheater ever built in the history of mankind. Representation of this structure is a bit different from the previous structures we have seen. Here Google Earth is making use of photorealistic 3D images, and the same is superimposed on an auto-generated 3D mesh. And you can see the surrounding buildings which are also generated using this technology. Hundreds of cities in more than 40 countries around the world have been mapped like this. Next one is Machu Picchu of Peru, otherwise called the Lost City of Incas. These are the remains of a lost citadel, and I should say the 3D representation isn't that good when compared to other structures which we have seen. Machu Picchu is a place of great historical importance and is in the path of restoration. Maybe in future we can have a better view of it in Google Earth. Now to the Chichen Itza of Mexico. This is again a historic city which was built by Maya people of terminal classic period. This step pyramid, El Castillo, is the center of this archaeological site. Next one is Petra of Jordan, one more historical city of archaeological importance. Petra is also called the Rose City due to the color of stone out of which it is carved. "27 sites in Petra are now available on Google Street View." An interesting fact is, in 2016, a team of archaeologists discovered a previously unknown large monumental structure buried in the sands of Petra using satellite imagery. Now I will enable the terrain option available here, and you can see a significant change in the representation of terrain. City of Petra lies on the slopes of Jebel al-Madba mountain, and as the terrain option wasn't activated earlier, the mountain ranges weren't prominent in view. Now to the Great Wall of China. Great Wall of China is a series of fortifications made of stone, brick, wood and other materials which runs along east to west line across historical northern borders of China. This is not a single wall but a series of walls which constitutes for a length of 21,000 kilometers and were built, maintained, rebuilt and enhanced by various dynasties in China. That was just an introduction to various possibilities of Google Earth. In coming videos, various options in Google Earth will be explained from an engineer's point of view. To receive notifications about those video releases, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.